Welcome to a box break by TradeCardsNow.com, sponsored by Topps. Today we're doing a box of Bowman. Got one auto Bowman Chrome card in every box. 24 packs, 10 cards per pack. Let's get right into this. Make sure to check out Topps.com for all your product info. That's what they look like. Chris Carpenter. Oh, and Druggy Boy. And our chromes. First Bowman Chrome cards. Jose Reyes. Euclid. Try to get through this pretty quick. A lot of packs, a lot of cards per pack. Josh Beckett, Todd Helton, Gonzalez. Okay, we got an insert here. Jonathan Singleton, Bowman's Best, numbered to 99. Swisher. Bowman, always a fan favorite. Millions of rookie cards, plus the Bowman Chrome. Goria, Prince Fielder, Lindor. Another Bowman's Best, non-insert version. Non-die cut version, I should say. Derek Jeter, Cliff Lee, Bryce Harper, Chrome card, Greg Bird, first card, Major Morgan, Dylan Howard, Tony Joseph, Pereira, Ortiz. These pennant cards, check them out at toppspennant.com/Bowman. Bumgarner, Swanner, Gak, Tyler. See these gold ones, are they numbered? Nope. Petroia, numbered to 500, the blue cards. Nerco, Sands, Romero, Krill, Craig, Eden, Ellsbury. Shields, they're Longoria. Jake Bruce, Brady. Crawford, Fister, Couch, Norris, Homily. We got a black Worley, not numbered. Hamilton, Ryan Howard, Bowman, orange, Perez. Orange is number 250. We got gold, blue, black, and orange. Pretty standard for Bowman. Lance Berkman, Cole, Tillman Young, Pujols, Walk, Neo, Renton, Sale, Niger Morgan Blue, Taro Moat, Clay Holmes, Josh Bell, Mike Trout, Ether, Wilson, Verlander, Collins, Bradley Jr. Got first card, Todd McGinnis. Not numbered, but very refractor looking. Hart, Granderson, Cabrero, okay, last 6 packs. You see Sabathia and Rivera. Matt Cain, Murray, Hunter Pence, Michael Bradley, last 3 packs. Lester, Prince, oh, Matt Perk. There's our auto on card, not numbered. Matt Moore, Lawrence, another black card, last pack. Goldschmidt, Weeks, Tillman Young. That is it. Bowman. Always a wonderful box to break. Got a lot of different parallels, some inserts, a huge stack of chrome. There's our auto. So thank you, Topps, and thanks for watching.